Adulting is real. We're buying toilets now and sinks. Hello, today is February 24 and it's the first day of the renovation. So many things happening. We just arrived from our 1-month trip yesterday, so just so many things going on, but we are very excited to finally start this new project. This is what it looks like now. This is the before. I'm gonna start with everything now. And this is Kenneth, our designer. He's very hands-on, as you can tell. He's always here. Handsome as well. So what are we going to do today? What's the agenda for the first day?
For the first day, what we'll do is we'll start upstairs. We'll demolish the wall, so we'll open up the small bedroom. So we'll have it open for the office. Yeah. Putting, and then they are going to prepare the walls, so repainting, putting some wall putty on the cracks and stuff like that. So that's for today, and then eventually, as they go down, they will start to remove the tiles. That's it.
Yes, thank you.
For now.
Good morning po, mga kuya. Hi po. Hello po, kuya. Si kuya, ang pangalan niya? Jody. Eh, kuya? George and Kuya Ariel. Ayan sila ang mga gagawa ng aming magandang bahay. Wow. Yan. So ngayon, we're going to remove this wall because it's only a plywood and we want to make the space feel a bit bigger. Kaya tatanggalin na namin yan. Nagtatanggal na rin sila ng mga pintuan. Ito yung magiging bedroom namin ni Martin. Tapos, ito naman yung extra. Kung may bisita kami, o kaya office ni Martin pag walang bisita. Sarah. Siyempre, lagi namin kasama. Ito, we still don't know if we'll be able to do this now. Let's see if we still have budget. In this project, we're going to do little by little depending on our budget. And we're going to be very hands-on. We didn't hire a contractor anymore because it's gonna be so expensive. So, we hired workers that knows what they're doing, of course. Professional construction workers. And they've been building some of the houses that are here in this subdivision. So they know the ins and outs na ng bahay na to because they're also the ones who built this. Okay, it is time consuming, but we both think that it's better to do it hands-on and buy the materials on our own. So, yeah, and hopefully matapos siya within 1 or 2 months. Martin and Kenneth are still there. We still don't know what we're going to do with the backyard, but that's the, I think, phase 3 of the project. Expensive. Magka-budget na kami.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in the trash now.
We're removing the tiles in the toilet, the existing tiles, because we're going to replace this. But mainly the layout is the same. We're just changing all the wall tiles and then the floor tiles right now. Tapos we might also, later we'll discuss, maybe we'll change as well
The shower. Okay, next agenda is buying tiles ba? Tiles ba tayo?
Paints.
Paints, okay. Okay, we're looking for toilets now. Adulting is real. We're buying toilets now and sinks.
Okay.
Not plane tickets anymore.
I've been trying to bend the rules since I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better.
We're what you call this? Getting 2 sets of paints right now. We're getting a flat white, which will be used as a primer in all the walls. Every wall that we will put, whether it's a colored wall or it's going to be a white wall, we are going to put primer. And then after, we're getting also 2 white, which is not really a white color, but it's going to be our finishing color for the walls that we will want it to be white. So it's a bit white, but not too much.
Okay.
Off-white.
And how many do we need with
right
that?
now, our contractors told us to get only 4 gallons each.
Okay.
So it's one pail like.
Okay.
Yeah, wonderful.
I like that. And it's about 689 pesos.
No, the 681 is the 1 liter.
Ay, ano ba yun?
So
Magkano to?
times 4.
Okay.
Pero because we're getting a pail, normally it's lesser.
Ah, okay.
So parang it will cost around 3.5 ganyan.
Okay. Good thing Kenneth is with us because we have no idea what we're doing.
Dapat na full white.
Ayan, oh my gosh.
White ba ang ano?
Tinanong na dito si Kenneth. Kundi I'm like, okay, let's buy the white one. The white color. You know, we don't think
didn't know there was
of
difference.
satin, matte, gloss. I'm learning so much today from Kenneth.
Basic. Wow. They prefer parang semi-gloss.
Okay.
Kasi mas madaling linis.
Okay, so we're having this. Okay, so what's next?
We're getting a skin coat. Skin coat is used to soften the walls. So normally we use it when you have a rough wall and then you want it to parang yung hollow block. Tapos you put cement and you put the skin coat to make it smoother.
Oh,
Compared
okay,
to
the
like
finishing.
directly
Yes.
painting it. Then after you have to sand it and then
Gotcha.
paint. So right now, because there are some parts of the walls that needed to be smoothened, we'll use the skin coat.
Okay.
Then they will paint. After they will have to paint it, finish it. Skin coat, yeah, it's like a wall putty.
We've come to the most important part of the whole process, testing which toilet will make the Norwegian most happy. Oh, wait. Yeah,
What?
feels good. Okay, next. Oh, 7 out of 10.
Is it small? Is it big?
Just had your coffee.
I kind of like this better. Yeah, this is more comfortable.
You have so many tests.
Yeah.
Oh, testing. Yeah, very good.
My first time to buy a toilet. I don't buy things for myself anymore. I buy toilets.
La 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 la. Whoa. Spill my coffee on the floor, but I don't really care. It's not the same, not anymore. There's no way.
Yeah, and good thing you're here. They already delivered the sand and the hollow block. And this is the update after 3 hours. I think 3 hours.
The cement is here. This is the cement.
Ayan. Ayan yung cement. Oh, we also ordered that already. Open na siya. See? Uy, ingat lang kasi madulas.
Opens up
Oh
the
my
space, no?
gosh! Wow! Wow!
Totally different feel, no?
Yeah. See? Now that the wall has been removed, it looks so much spacious now and light coming in the house. So I'm very happy about that. And they are slowly removing tiles here in the bathroom. They also just removed the toilet and the sink already. Wow, all in one day. And ayan.
Wow, this is the first time I'm seeing the upstairs with the wall demolished. Really fascinating to see how much bigger it is. This makes me very excited. This is the stage where you can very quickly see progress.
Yeah.
where you can see things are happening. And you've done some construction or refurbishing before, you know that there's a stage where it takes twice as much time, but that you don't really see any progress. It's that finishing touches. So the stage we're in now is always so much fun to vlog, because it's physically visible that you're heading in, getting where you want to be and making progress.
Hi! Today is the 4th day of the renovation and we're back here at the Home Depot with Kenneth. He's looking at the floor plan right now because today is buying the tiles day. Why do you need a floor plan?
No, just to check, because I already have like a cut, like number of tiles.
Yeah.
But then for one tile, one wall, because we're putting an accent wall. Initially,
in the bathroom.
My size is 30 by 30 tiles, but we're changing it. Maybe we might change. So I needed the reference for the wall.
Okay.
And then we will let them complete.
Okay.
So
So
be, well, either
floors
of
for
this, it
downstairs,
also be
first
the
floor.
bathroom, wall and
Okay. What do you think though?
What?
What does your gut tell you? Like light or darker?
I do like the light.
Yeah, both of them are nice actually. I just don't know which one will fit better. That's true. Things that we need to consider before buying floor tiles. Of course, is it pretty? The design. Is it nice? Kenneth said because we have a small bathroom, if we get lighter tiles, it will brighten up the bathroom, making it look like it's bigger. And of course, the texture, is it rough, or is it very smooth? Because you don't want smooth tiles in the bathroom. You might slip, especially if you're prone to disgrasya, sis. So, I think this one is the best option. I have to try. Okay siya. How much yung ganito, kuya? 208 per piece. And this one doesn't have edge, so it will look like as if it's you know, a concrete flooring. Ayan, kuya is also helping us kung ilang tiles ang
By
bibilin.
2.8.
But no problem, we'll get you around.
This is a lot of tiles. We're buying all of these and this, like a little bit of that. My god, that's heavy. They need to check it one by one to make sure there are no breakage, no broken pieces.
Yeah, so we've been now getting all the tiles fixed and we are looking at lights. There's so many components to this refurbishment that we're doing, and we're enjoying every process of it, and we are also logging every expense so that in the future, if we want to do it again, we know exactly where we could save more money or where we need to spend a little bit more to get a more nice finish. But we're very lucky that Kenneth is with us and guiding us through this entire process, and it's really enjoyable to go through it and to get to that level where you're designing your first home.
I don't know why you're stressing, but I know that you will find it in time. To be alone is depressing, and you're hurting, I can see it in your eyes. I know.
Our single biggest purchase at once so far. You guys can see, they're counting over everything, making sure it's all right.
So when you pay by cash, you get 5% discount. We got like $50 discount. That's still a lot, like 2,500 pesos.
Yeah. Hey guys, back at the construction site here in Cavite. Now they've finished the walls, like they're doing some finish on the walls before they're actually going to paint it to make it smooth. And then this space is so cool. Like this used to be a bedroom, but we removed the wall and turning it into an upstairs living room. You know, if you bring your kids here, they can have like their own space up here watching cartoons while the adults are still downstairs. And we're also thinking of making it into a sleeping couch. It also has a window from here. It's fun, it's so cool to be here and to witness this construction in person. You can see here they're also doing things at the bathroom, and they've also covered up where the old air conditioning unit used to be. So we're making progress.
I'm so scared of this.
Yeah, there's no railing yet.
It always falls.
Yeah, Ava has a history of falling down things. We're making a headache in our designer's head because we're changing things as we go. Yeah, we're giving you a headache, Kenneth. I'm changing some plants in the middle of everything, but he says he can fix it.
This is the thing when you are doing it yourself.
Yeah.
You are like, "Oh, maybe this is nice." Like all of a sudden things change, and like
Yeah.
you get a contractor, you just do the design, you oversee things, and then you, yeah. So very pasaway.
So guys, for our bathroom we are trying to find some very special tiles because we have an idea to mix, to have something called an accent wall, which means one of the walls will be in a completely different tile than the rest of the other walls. And we discovered this really cool store called Mosaico, where we have a much more special selection, as you guys can see. So this is the store, and they have even these big, like if you're doing a kitchen, this is where you go. Look at that, beautiful, really nice.
I wanna hear you say that you're only one.